Once you have your view set up, it's easy to go back and make modifications if you need to change the layout of your drawing for any reason. Simply click on the viewport, choose Edit the View, and you'll return to the Setup selection. Let's open our model from the source files, specifically the file named 09_model, and take a look at the XREFs included. The equipment and structural XREFs are present, while the piping is in the live model. Next, navigate to the Orthographic section and create a new drawing by selecting Create Ortho Views. Name it 09_03_ortho and click OK. In the model selection, turn on all XREFs. Then, go to the project library, select Load an OrthoCube, and choose OrthoView 1 that I created earlier. Click OK to recreate the same view, keeping the scale at 1/4 inch to a foot. Rotate the model as needed to achieve the desired perspective. After confirming the paper check layout looks fine, proceed to finalize the view. If changes are needed, such as modifying the hidden line settings, select the viewport, go to Ortho Views, and choose Edit View. From there, adjust the settings, such as making all hidden lines visible or adding match lines. Click OK to refresh the view and see the changes applied. To further modify the view, for instance, to change the scale or remove structural components, return to Edit View. In the 3D model selection, deselect the structural steel to display only the equipment and piping. Confirm the changes to update the view. There are multiple ways to customize your view. For example, adjusting the view cube allows changes to the volume. Select the front view and focus only on specific areas, such as piping from a certain point upward. If snapping to items in the model becomes an issue, turn off snaps for more precise control. Finally, update the volume to display only the desired elements within the selected area. Confirm the changes and you'll see the updated view showing only the piping within the defined volume.